Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to fix OEM Unlock not showing error. I watched a lot of YouTube videos to fix this error, but none of those are worked. So, I fixed it by myself. So, let's go to video. I will tell you what things I did. Step 1. I flashed Stock ROM, official firmware. I downloaded Stock ROM, official firmware, suitable for my phone. Next I flashed it using Odin software. Step 2. Next I updated Play Store app to latest version. I will show you how to do it. Open Play Store app. Go to Settings in Play Store app. Location of settings is changes according to Play Store app version. Now you need to find Play Store app version. Location of Play Store app version is also changes according to Play Store app version. If you can see Update Play Store button, click on it. If you can't see Update Play Store button, click on Play Store version. It will be downloaded latest version of Play Store app. Step 3. Next you need to power off and power on your phone. I am not talking about restarting phone. Now power off phone. After powering off phone, wait few minutes and power on phone. These are the things I did to fix my issue. I hope these steps fix your issue. Put comment on video. Like and share this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.